Hi James, welcome to Vintage Bricks. We are going to have a two-part digital series today. Part 1, making a Lego tile mosaic art project. And part 2, how to add or replace a background to make it a Lego background like this. So let's get started. We'll start with a white knight from the 6075 yellow castle, and we'll turn him into a classic mosaic on the right, digitally. I'm going to start with the Windows Corel Painter program, and it has an effect that lets you draw with mosaic tiles here, which I am starting to do with the white here. I use a tracing paper so I can kind of see what I'm drawing. I'm using a simple Wacom tablet to make the drawing kind of fun and easy. And I use my judgment on the size of the tiles and the colors of the grout. And I kind of do the detail first. I can change the size, some a little smaller, some a little bigger here. And this guy's coming along pretty darn good here. I'm speeding it up now so we can, you can kind of get the idea. And you can use your imagination as you do this. And let's get the background. The black doesn't look too bad. But I'm going to go to the background. I'm going to think, Van Gogh starry night. Just a few swirls here. Well, this just about finishes it. This might not be a bad effect for a thumbnail or, just for fun. So the next shot are two samples I did. One is the Black Falcon crest and then the Dragon Knights. Those turned out pretty good, I thought. So now let's take a look at how to add a Lego background. And I have a picture in a white background, so I want to create this. Put my castle into more of a Lego style background. So here's a photo I took just on a piece of foam core, which is white. I do a selection. I'm using Photoshop, but any program that has layers will work. So I copy my selection to the clipboard. I create a new document, and I make a white background just so it's easy to see. And as shown here, I paste a reference photo of a Lego box. Now I go to the white layer and I created a kind of a yellow-orange Lego color background. Then I paste from the clipboard my castle that I had selected earlier from the other document. Now I want to resize it, something a little smaller, but still prominent. And this is going to be a thumbnail maybe for a video. So I'll put it right there. So now when I get that where I want it, I need to start thinking about drawing the background. So I pick a tool here. This is just a paintbrush, fairly hard edges right now. And I'm going to start selecting some colors that look similar to the reference photo of the castle. And I'll start drawing here. Because this layer of the background is below the castle layer in my layers Photoshop, it shows underneath the castle. Isn't that cool that it does it that way? So you can draw it there. And in a second here, I'll speed this up so you can kind of get the whole idea going a little faster here. So I'm just going to kind of go up here like chipmunk style, a little faster, kind of do some mountains here. Kind of like, I'm liking that. Maybe make the mountains a little darker. I need to make the sun here in a minute. Let's see, there's the sun. And now I made the brush a little fuzzier. Okay, this is version 1. Kind of a simple background. This would work fine for a thumbnail. And because I'm a fiddler, I'm going to spend some more time just kind of refining the background. And maybe you'll like that first background better. I don't know, but I'm going to do a little bit different things here just to kind of keep adding to the background with different types of brushes. And there we have it, my Lego castle with a Lego background. Thanks for visiting Vintage Bricks.